Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for glowing skin? Here are the best superfoods for glowing skin. When it comes to your skin, there's one thing we know for sure. What you eat can have a direct impact on your look. A diet focused on high quality lean proteins, fibers, healthy oils, raw fruits and vegetables and spices is best for supporting healthy skin. Oatmeal is best if you have acne. Swap sugary cereal for a bowl of plain oats in morning and your skin will thank you. This food is low on the glycemic index, a scale that rates foods contain carbohydrates. Foods with a low glycemic index are better because starchy foods that are high glycemic increase blood sugar, promotes inflammation and have been shown to be associated with acne breakouts. Do you know eating curd will also help for healthy skin? It could be boring and telling you to have yogurt because it has a lot of probiotics. And probiotics are greater for your skin, digestive system and blood control. But you have heard that a billion times before. And it's not exactly helpful if you were lactose intolerant. There's no reason to go grab sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great option because of their high level of vitamin A. Vitamin A derivatives have been shown to help reduce oil production in the skin and are used to treat acne also. Carrots are another solid vitamin A option, but he warns against taking a supplement. Overdosing on them can have side effects that are harmful to your health. Cinnamon is basic spice. It is great for stimulating circulation and blood flow. Cinnamon helps to get oxygen and nutrients directly to the skin. Some studies have shown that cinnamon could help to stabilize and balance blood sugar levels. Adding a dash of the spice to your coffee or tea to start your day off right, or blending some into morning smoothie will help you a lot. Never miss avocados in your diet. High levels of healthy oils and vitamin E both are found in avocados. Provide the building blocks for healthy skin cell function. They may also help improve skin hydration. Don't rule out the fish from your diet. Fish are an excellent source of vitamin B12 and selenium. B12 plays a major role in skin cell reproduction, and when you are lacking the vitamin, it often causes dry, patchy skin. Selenium is necessary if you want your body to produce an antioxidant called glutathione. Lastly, fishes are packed with phosphorus, protein, vitamin D, and omega 3 fatty acids, all of which play important roles in keeping your skin hydrated and glowing skin. Another reason not to skip eggs in breakfast. In addition to giving your body a dose of healthy protein, egg whites are high in amino acids as well as collagen itself. So adding egg whites to your diet could help support your body's natural production of collagen to help fight fine lines. Vegans and vegetarians can also try nuts and peanuts. Quinoa is protein packed grain. It is well known in the kitchen, but its high level of riboflavin makes it superstar for your skin. Riboflavin lends a hand to your skin's elasticity and the protection of connective tissues, which helps even things out and make fine lines and wrinkles look less prominent. Love salmon for its myriad of health benefits, lower risk of heart disease and lower blood pressure. But when it comes to your skin, it helps to get omega 3 fatty acids. Sure, it's good for heart health, but those fatty acids also contribute to the production of collagen, a protein that helps keep the skin foundation strong and wrinkle free. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens, along with broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin K, a powerhouse nutrient when it comes to improving blood circulation and coagulation. Spinach is also loaded with zinc, which has been shown to help reduce inflammation and help prevent acne breakouts. Spinach contains zeaxanthin, a natural occurring antioxidant that protects skin and helps even out skin tone. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Top Animates. Hit like, share and comment. Thank you.